Hello everyone. We are now in the third week of April and things are beginning to move at a faster pace, as we expected they would. There have been a series of incredible captures of this incoming system, including one video which was trending on the Weather Channel homepage on April 12th. A double sunset was seen by an observer in Preston Hill, UK. The phenomenon was captured on video, and as you will see, there were two suns setting on opposite ends of the sky. So take a look. There are many strange and unexplained events taking place in our sky in these times. The second sun phenomenon is one that has sparked considerable interest among the internet community, and it seems even the scientific community is baffled by the appearance of two suns, questioning whether it is possible that our solar system is actually a binary system where a brown or a red dwarf star is lurking. Evidence is further demonstrating that there is something out there that is real, that cannot be seen by the naked eye, but that is having a tremendous impact on the planet and our neighbors across the solar system. The following presentation is a composite of analyzed images and videos that were recently captured of the incoming system. There is also some footage of extreme and bizarre events that have recently taken place around the globe, all of which are further signs of the troubled times in which we live.
Here we are again, April 8th, 2017, about 7:45 p.m. It's still daylight out, and little friend's still up there.
So what is that red planet near the moon? If it were Jupiter, then where are the 4 companion moons of this planet? As you can see from this sky chart, Jupiter is presently in opposition to the Sun. Thus the light is reflecting directly from the planet, providing a very bright presence in the evening sky just after sunset, as the planet rises from the east-southeast. The luminosity of the planet has increased more than 200%. So much like Venus in the winter sky, it has become brighter and also appears closer to the Earth. Even the moon is behaving strangely, casting moonbeams from its surface, appearing brighter in the evening sky. All this shows evidence that something besides our own sun is causing the luminosity of these planets and our moon to increase substantially. This image, taken from the UK on April 3rd, went viral on our Facebook page, stunning in its detail of a smaller companion star casting a pronounced reflection on the water. The Planet X system is known to be rising from the southern hemisphere, where once it reaches perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun, it will then move outward at a faster clip towards the Earth. Notice in this diagram how the planet moves fastest at perihelion and slowest at aphelion. The Earth's axis is now tilting more than its normal seasonal tilt due to the magnetic influence of the approaching system. This is now evident in the noticeable longer summer and winter seasons that are taking place on Earth. This is also affecting our view of the entire solar system. Due to the severe wobbling effect on the planet, the visibility of the binary star and its companion planets is being photographed from various locations in the northern hemisphere, such as these images from the FAA weather webcam located in Alaska have shown. Time-lapse images from the Bloom Sky camera located in Bay City, Michigan, indicate a reaction of the Sun, where a full view of an object is seen as it pulls away from the Sun, showing other objects in its path as it moves out of view. Most of you have probably heard or read about the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, located underground on a remote island in the Arctic Circle. It is the world's largest security storage for seeds. The so-called Doomsday Seed Vault has now gained a neighbor, and the new vault, which opened on March 27th, will act as a digital archive for the world's data. That's right. The new vault, known as the Arctic World Archive, is now the home to the digital data of government and scientific institutions, including companies and private individuals who want to keep their historical data safe from natural disasters, war, and from other problems that may occur. It is feasible for the data to be stored in this protected facility for as long as 1,000 years. I mentioned earlier in this presentation how the shifting of the Earth's axis and the abnormal tilt has created a change in the duration of the seasons. Here too we are seeing a major change in weather patterns, creating unprecedented events that practically go unnoticed by our mainstream media. Take a look at this recent video footage from Argentina, as floods and extreme weather has taken a dramatic toll on property and lives across this region of South America. As the Earth's surface heats up and extreme weather continues to escalate, so does the danger of methane gas escaping into the atmosphere as a result of the melting of permafrost in the Arctic regions, thus creating more concern for our survival. A new study suggests that as the planet continues to warm, each degree of increase will result in the meltdown of 1.5 million square miles of permafrost. This is just another example of changes that are rapidly occurring on the planet. Here is what is happening as shown in this video clip, in which 7,000 underground gas bubbles located in Siberia are about to burst, releasing tremendous amounts of methane into the atmosphere. As you have noticed from viewing our video presentations over the last year, we get the usual barrage of debunkers and naysayers who dispute every bit of evidence that has been presented, regardless of the credibility of the information. Strange as it may seem, they just keep coming back. It's like an itch that won't go away. No matter how much you scratch at it, you just can't get rid of it. So what exactly is their agenda, and what is it that they do not want you to know? Now, you may have noticed that their line of attack is to discredit the image or the video by referring to it as a lens flare or a refraction or a reflection of an artifact that is not real. Now, there are some images that do fall into that category. They usually can be easily identified. But there are other images that cannot be explained. They fall into the category of unexplained phenomena. One of our subscribers, Danny Garceau, who happens to be an amateur photographer and an avid Planet X researcher, has recorded and captured some incredible images of the Planet X system over a period of time. He recently captured this video of the mystery object in front of and to the left of the Sun. Danny wanted the viewers to understand that there is a difference between a lens flare and a stationary object, explaining this here by demonstrating that a lens anomaly will move about in the camera lens. It therefore does not exist. It is an imaginary object created by the lens itself. But what we see here in front of the Sun is not imaginary. It is an object captured by the camera, but it cannot be seen by the naked eye because of its close proximity to the Sun, its vision being cast out by the Sun's rays. Which brings us back to the question of why Venus was appearing extremely bright in the evening sky for many months. Well, your answer may very well be seen here. Rogue planet, dwarf star, Hercolubus. It is right there in front of your eyes. Where it will go and what it will do is anyone's guess. It is in the hands of a higher entity. One thing we do know for sure is that the planet, our planet, is changing quickly. Something is causing these sudden changes to take place. And it is up to each of us to work together to try and solve this mystery. We can agree to disagree, but the mystery of Planet X will continue until which time it will be disclosed for all to see. And that day may soon be upon us. As I have said and will continue to say, the truth is out there. So keep looking to the sky.